How to delete TradingView account easy and quick. Welcome everybody. Today I will show you how to delete account on TradingView. Just follow and watch this video till the end. First, open your TradingView, and after it open, it will open directly here on the chart or the watch list page. Click here on the menu, and right now go and click on the settings at the top of the screen. You will find here the red and the last option, delete account. Just click on it like this and click yes, delete my account, and then it will delete your account correctly, and you have to finish some other step. And that's all. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. If you have any question, just type it down in comments. See you next video.